I just got a new massage gun. It's called the M3 Pro by Everyfun.com. So do a little unboxing. So just one quick thing. Isn't that cute? So it comes with a manual, of course. So maintenance and cleaning, how to do all those things. And at the back, there's kind of recommendations for each part of the body and how long to spend on it. And it does come with a cool bag. So if you don't want to bring this case around, you can use that. And there is a warranty on this too, 3 months, and also 5 massage head replacements too. So again, you just have to contact service at everyfun.com. So with this massage gun, it doesn't feel too heavy at all. So I can easily hold it in one hand. And it comes with 5 different attachments then. And it does come with a charger. And right at the bottom, that's where you charge it at. And let's just hear the sound of the 5 different speeds. You press and hold to turn it on. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So it's not too loud. It says it's a lot quieter than most, and I definitely agree with that. And the nice thing is my hand doesn't vibrate as much as some of them I've tried in the past. So it's pretty comfortable. And to turn off, just press and hold, and it turns right off then. So the attachments, just push it in, press and hold. You increase it. So the nice thing is when you do increase the speed, you can get a little bit deeper and you don't have to use as much strength of your own then. I would say it's really quiet on level 2 right now. And it's just starting to vibrate a little bit in my hand when I'm holding it. And they do say that with each charge up to 10 hours. So that's insane. I mean, most of them maybe 4 or 5 hours at the max, but this one says it's up to 10 hours in between charges then. Let me just try another attachment then. They come out really easy. Some of them, sometimes that you have to really pull at it, but this seems pretty easy. And for this first speed, I'm not feeling much though, so that's why I'd probably go at least 2 or 3. But again, everybody's different about how much speed and strength that they actually need, and it all depends on what areas too of the body. And with any kind of massage device, you don't want to go right on the bone, of course. So more on the actual muscles then. Let's try another one. Let me try it up to 4. So I'm not trying hardly at all, and it's getting enough deep pressure. And you can see some redness there. It's called hyperemia, so when more of the blood comes to the surface then. And it controls really nice too. I mean, some of them I've tried in the past when I'm going over areas, it kind of jerks like this. But this one is just nice and fluid and smooth. Kick it up. And it does feel good. It doesn't feel like it's slipping at all. So this one, and you can even range of different areas like this and turn it. Works really great for the hand on those hard to reach areas, of course. And again, these come out really, really nice. And for this, I can see it being used for this. See, it fits on there really nice. Oh, this is nice and soft. I think this is my new favorite attachment for this. Okay. You can pull it off. Again, you can take that off. It snaps off really nice. Put this back in there. And again, if it's up to 10 hours, typically you can use this many, many times before you actually need to charge it. But again, here, you can see the charge level, so 5, that means it's fully charged then. And this product does come in different colors too, so if you're interested. So check out everyfun.com for more information, but I definitely give this a thumbs up.